Welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll discuss what happened in Friday's market and what will happen on Monday market, and we'll see over analysis of weekly analysis for Nifty 50 and Bank Nifty. Before going to the video, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You will be receiving more videos and you will be receiving videos from my side, and we'll see what happened in Nifty 50. So in Nifty 50 today itself, the market actually came down around 263 points. Market came down today itself. The market came up to this much. For the Sensex itself, the market has came around 889 889 points, nearly 900 points has came down today. So when you go with this 5 days analysis, the market Sensex has came around 2000 points. For the Nifty 50, if you go with 5 days time frame, it is like 688 points, like nearly 650 point market has came down. So market past 2-3 days market has giving some side movements, and suddenly today itself market came down. So same happened in the Sensex also. Market came to 1 to 3 days, market came sideways, and suddenly market came today down only. So itself we'll go with chart and we'll see what are the technical analysis we can provide and what are the market analysis we can view for today's sessions also. So first we will go with Nifty 50. You can see already I told you past 2 to 3 days market is still in the range market. So market has broke this resistance, broke this support level and came down. We'll go with Nifty Bank only here itself. First Nifty Bank, the market has broke this resistance level, taken some pullback, and again market has started moving downside. So itself shows the market has still is some selling pressure left. The market is trying to coming down. So this is the overall week. You can see this is the overall day. You can see we will see what happened from week analysis also. So if you come with week analysis, the candle itself shows a powerful closing below this. We already know from past 2 weeks. I am telling you, if you see any closing below these two candles or this candle also, the selling pressure is there. The market will compulsory market will come down. So itself the market shows some bearish movement. So you can go with selling pressure. You can next week also it will go. Next week when itself market is breaking this level, you can go with selling pressure. Itself this is like 35,348. So itself the market is breaking this level means you can go for selling option. So meanwhile we'll be checking this with Nifty 50 also. Nifty 80 is also same as it is with Nifty Bank. Same 3 days market has taken some range market. After that the market has taken range and broke this support level. Today market has taken some, it also taken some pullback, but it's a today it's a morning in the session. The market has came in 50 minutes time frame. The market gave closing below this line. So itself we can say market has some selling pressure left. Market is trying to come down. So same way if you see this 1 week analysis also, this week analysis, like market has came so much down, like around 500, around 500 points, 526 points market has came down for this week analysis. We already know this is the two levels are we taking. This is the closing happened below this. We can expect for next week market will compulsory will come down. This is the powerful closing we are expected, right? This is a powerful closing. The market might come this to next week also. It will do closing this below this level. The market still go and we can hit 16,000 also in this month only. So from my analysis we can go with selling option for Monday also, whether it is taking some gap up or gap down. When the closing happened below this, any candle you can see closing happened below this level, you can go for selling option. Same goes with Nifty Bank. If you go with 15 minutes time frame and you click here and you see a closing happening below this in 15 minutes time frame, you can go with selling option. So at that time you can even see the gap also, market where the gap happened, the below itself market has taken and closing here. So previous you can see the closings happened up to here. So this is a 35,599 near to 600. So itself the market is level this much is there. Market might up to today itself the market has came up to this level. So itself market shows the selling pressure is happening, so itself you can see market has still can go down. So for Nifty 50 you can plan for 16,000 value, and for Bank Nifty you can plan for 35,000 value. Compulsory it will hit for 35,000 for Bank Nifty. Okay, this is the analysis from my side. You can go, if you haven't subscribed my channel till now, please do subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. You will be getting lots of videos, lots of market analysis from my side, whether it is the forex market, whether it is the Nifty 50 or Bank Nifty, or some stocks I will be introducing from my side. Will be helpful for long term purpose, also for swing trading also. Okay.